what does LiQE mean for our clients?
I think it gives our clients an opportunity to see where the trends in the industry are going and how they dovetail into their requirements and what Cigniti can do to bring a solution to those requirements that ties it all together for them.
LiQE is an ability for my clients to network, to get more of an understanding of Cigniti's competencies, our leadership and quality assurance, how we're morphing to different areas of innovation, and really provide value for their own organization.
It's also an opportunity to get to know to better understand why they love Cigniti, to hang out with us and have a good time on a business kind of level.
So in today's event, this event is all about thought leadership, sharing of industry experience, what is the future of testing, and how the market is heading into the right direction. And I do have some esteemed panelists and industry analysts.
This is who we are as QA professionals. As QA professionals, we're really about protecting that brand and protecting that business. And we have to transform ourselves from being just the people who find bugs to the people who are about protecting the brand and protecting the business. We want to be about the people who are identifying risk, not saying, well, here, we found these bugs, developer, to go fix them. We have to be integrated with the line of business. We have to be integrated in the software lifecycle and really refocus on branding ourselves.
Taking the water out of the milk, it's called Cignit. So we are doing to detect quality through that process. Grapevine is one of those Cignit's brand actually. Selected author in the QA journey. He has written a lot of books as well.
For me, the takeaway is definitely going to be on the CI/CD side, Agile. More people are moving towards it than I actually expected. We're really in that niche, but to see that there's large enterprises doing that is awesome because that shows that the value add is there. So I really like that piece.
I was on the panel, that's right, and met a lot of great people, a lot of good experience, and we got to share ideas and figure out we have common problems and we have solutions.
I think the biggest one that stuck in my mind was the lady that said that they've taken their unit testing and hired a guy within QA to do it, which I thought was a really revolutionary idea, and now I'm thinking about it.
Very good, very good. I'm really happy on that.
Yeah.
It is a very good exposure, and I realized that it's just not me. The technical challenges that you face in quality assurance is across the board. A lot of us are in the process of transformation, and it's just not me. Everybody is doing it. Everybody is trying to hop on board. So it's very good feeling when you realize that there's so many others in the industry who are going through the struggles, and it's also like great to know their successes, how they have done it, what tool they have used it, how they have changed the team dynamic around. So I feel like that was a great information, gives a good sampling of various companies going through the same process. I'm not alone.
LG&E is, we're probably 3 years in to our QA journey, so we're hearing everything that's going on at these different organizations that are a little bit more mature is very motivational for us. We've got a long way to go and a big journey ahead of us.
So a lot of good best practices from different industries, which I thought was amazing. And then people on their journeys, just hearing their lessons and the areas where they're focusing. So for example, virtualization, that whole discussion around virtualization I found fascinating. So that's been a really helpful part for me in just making connections with people.
Different technologies from different companies and different industries. That was really amazing to hear from them and their working teams and everything. So I really appreciate to be in this event.
Very good.
Yeah.
Any comments from you?
And I think that we got new interesting things about the different technologies that support Araceli, and also the guys shared with us a really good experience to continue our testing and our work in quality assurance. So really, thanks so much everybody for this great conference.
Today was a great day. I'd like to really thank Cigniti for all their help, and a special call out to LiQE Madden for help. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be as successful as we are. Subway, eat fresh.
Learned a lot today. Definitely a lot about DevOps and automation and the future of QA. What it's going to look like in the future.
What LiQE means, thought leadership, LiQE means transformation. It has an expansion of leadership in quality engineering, and today we saw hundreds of clients come from all over the Americas and come here and participated in our event, shared their experience, thought leadership, and what is the future of testing.